Hello everyone, welcome to this class. Today I will discuss moment of inertia of a diatomic molecule. This study is very important because we will come to know more about various properties of diatomic molecules. Actually, diatomic molecules rotate about an axis passing through the center of mass and perpendicular to the line joining the atoms. We know that diatomic molecule contains two atoms. It can be homonuclear as in the case of H2, O2, Cl2, etc. And it can be heteronuclear as in the case of carbon monoxide, HCl, etc. So we will consider the general case in which atoms are different. Here in this diagram you can see one atom is having mass m1, another atom having mass m2, and the bond length is this r, and suppose this is the rotation axis which is passing through the center of mass and it is perpendicular to the bond. So this is a system of two particles, and the moment of inertia will be given by sigma mr square. So m1 into this r1 square plus m2 into this r2 square, that is written here. Next we will express this r1 and r2 in terms of the bond length r. For that let us take origin of a coordinate system at the center of mass. So we can take the origin at the center of mass here. Therefore this xcm will be equal to 0, and we know that xcm is given by sigma mx divided by total mass, that is equal to 0. So sigma mx is equal to 0. So that I have written here m into minus r1, actually m1 into minus r1, because if this is the origin, the distance towards the left will be negative and the distance towards right will be positive. So m1 into minus r1 plus m2 into r2 is equal to 0, and this r2 can be written as r minus r1. So that is substituted here. So r2 is eliminated from this equation. So we can solve for r1 and obtain r1 as this quantity m2r divided by m1 plus m2, and r2 is actually r minus r1. We have already substituted that relation. So r minus this r1 we can substitute, and if you simplify that you will get this. So r2 is equal to m2r divided by m1 plus m2. Now moment of inertia is m1 into r1 square plus m2 into r2 square. We can substitute for r1 and r2, and if you simplify this, then you will get a moment of inertia is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into bond length square. Usually this quantity m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 is called reduced mass of the system of two masses. Reduced mass of the system. Mu, usually denoted by the symbol mu. So we may write I is equal to mu r square, where mu is equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2.